equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a pair of wire cutters. First, unplug your Dyson HS01 from the power source to ensure safety during the repair. Next, locate the screws on the handle of the hairdryer. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove these screws. Keep them in a safe place as you will need them later. Once the screws are out, gently pull apart the handle to expose the internal components. Now, take a moment to clean any dust or debris inside the handle. This will help maintain the performance of your hairdryer. If you find it challenging to clean, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, which can help you understand any underlying issues. With the handle open, locate the cable connection. You will see where the cable is attached to the internal wiring. Using your wire cutters, carefully cut the old cable, ensuring you do not damage any surrounding wires. If you're unsure about this step, consider our pickup and delivery at your home service, which can save you the hassle of doing it yourself. Next, take your new compatible cable and strip the ends to expose the wires. You should see 3 wires: live, neutral, and earth. Match these wires to the corresponding connections inside the handle. It's crucial to ensure that the connections are secure to prevent any electrical issues. Once the new cable is connected, gently tuck the wires back into the handle. Before reassembling, double-check that everything is in place. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer no calls, no travel services, making it easy for you to get help without leaving your home. Now, it's time to reattach the handle. Align it carefully and replace the screws you removed earlier. Ensure they are tightened securely, but be cautious not to over-tighten, as this could damage the plastic. After the handle is back in place, give the hairdryer a quick visual inspection to ensure everything looks correct. Finally, plug in your Dyson HS01 and test it to ensure the new cable is functioning properly. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for a quote before repair, as we can assist you further. And there you have it. You've successfully replaced the cable on your Dyson HS01. This simple repair can save you money and extend the life of your appliance. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.